Hey guys, welcome to Raj Makes Money. How are all my money makers doing today? And finally, after 4 days this week of just getting beat into the ground, we got a winner chicken dinner. Finally an update. Amazing. I didn't know if we were ever going to pull it off. At one point today we were up like 150,000, 170,000, and then at one point today we were actually down 84,000. I was like, oh God, not again. And then CCIV finally turned it around and came back strong and finished up. But God, it's been rough. This was a rough week. At least we're not in as bad shape as we were a couple of weeks ago, but I think we're going to start seeing some momentum and start seeing some of these EV stocks and some of the stuff we're in get moving and stuff. IDX today was up a lot stronger. Jaguar had a good day. IDX, was way up again like yesterday, and then just today lost a couple of pennies. So just really weird. I don't know. Who knows? That's why you got to hedge these things. But let's take a look at what we got going on today. So finished the day up $55,000. IDX, we still have this, the calls we wrote against the stock, so we still have 15,000 in play there. CCIV, these calls will expire, so we can write, Monday we'll write some more calls against it, probably the 21s again for another 30 or 40 cents. Well, hopefully it goes up, it'd be even better, but otherwise it'll probably be $5,000, $6,000. And then our GameStop play, GameStop was flat today, but for some reason, the market maker really tanked the value of these options, so we'll short some more of them next week and stuff, pick up a little extra cash. But unfortunately, that one hasn't done as good. Thank God we didn't do as big of a position as we've done in the past. But you gotta have some fun, If you don't gamble, you can't make money. So we didn't do that play, would be up, a little bit more money. But you never know. If all of a sudden GameStop tanks 30, 40 points, these 73-cent things could be $5, and all of a sudden we've made hundreds of thousands of dollars. So you gotta have a little fun, keep it exciting, and it'll definitely be interesting to say the least. In other news, Kenny and the research team down a couple $100 today. They had a lot of stuff that they traded in and out of, and Kenny's still having some trouble because the account gets restricted at times. So I may throw a little extra money in the account for Kenny so he has more room to make trades. Which seems silly because when you always have he's got $30,000 in free cash. But, if you trade too many times and within that 24 hours and all these crazy rules. So those are definitely rules that need to be fixed up at some point. And market today, all-time highs on the Dow, crazy. I mean, just the market exploded today. It is interesting. Kathy Wood, if you guys didn't see this, definitely worth watching. She was on CNBC today towards the end of the day, and they really hammered her pretty good, in questions and stuff, but she deflected it pretty good. Basically says, I know what I'm doing, and that's that. So, but like I said, she was doing good and stuff. Unfortunately for the year, she's down about 25%, so not having the best. But our big holding, obviously, is CCIV, which will be Lucent. Funny enough, they tweeted out today, or somebody, I don't know if it's a real tweet or it's the memes going around, that they're going to run an ad during Saturday Night Live when Elon Musk is on it, so that'll be funny. But at least we were finally up today, and it's crazy how it's been trading. Like, it gets up, down, it started coming down. It's like, oh God, not again. And then, like a rocket ship, right off to the moon. Bitcoin is back up today, coming up strong and stuff. Dogecoin on fire, back up to 71 cents right now. So I don't know if this is a speculation on for tomorrow night. Is this thing going to go to $1? Is this, is this going to go to 50 cents tomorrow? Who knows? It's so hard to say where it's going to go, but it keeps going up, and because it was up there and then it came back down here. It's kind of bounced around, and which I took advantage of some of these buying opportunities in the 58, 60 cent range. I also just sold some off at 70 cents, so did good in that one. But Coinbase, see how we're doing over there. We got up to 66,000, so still a couple of thousand more dollars up there this week in the crypto trade. It'll definitely be interesting. But if you guys think of anything that we should be buying over here, let me know. We've got lots of free cash sitting here, so hopefully we'll see some rallies and stuff. It's interesting. I think the stuff that's cheaper priced, has the best opportunity to run and make the most money. But it'll definitely be interesting and stuff to see. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. Josh Reed, what's up, buddy? Congrats, Scott, on the gains today. Thank you so much. Let's see. Jeff says, Roger, did you see that Lucid Motors tweeted today that they are running a commercial during SNL? So I saw the meme, and I didn't see the actual tweet. I saw the memes and on the boards posted. So yeah, hopefully that'll be funny if they do. iFan Cheng says, Roger seems to always get burned trying to short GameStop. I don't know. We're going to get there. We're going to nail this GameStop. I mean, we're still, it's 21 more days to go. It's a long time. That thing can come down quick. So, Kobe says, what do you think of CCXI and their big drop today? Can it recover? Let's take a look at it for you. CCXI. Do you know why? Do you know why maybe the drop today? Or, holy smokes, 61%. I don't know. That's a drop. Let's see. 6-month chart. Yeah, I mean, that thing was pretty steady up here for a while. They must, 2 hours ago, announces that ChemoCentryx is being sued for misleading shareholders. So I guess that's the news. What time did it drop? Did it drop all day or? What the heck? 10:46. Let's see. So it looks like somebody mostly got wind of it this week because it dropped pretty heavily there. And then again, without knowing everything going on, I would tell you to, looks like an FDA issue. I don't know. I would probably tell you to stay away from this one. This one doesn't look too good in my, I don't know. I don't know a lot about it, but, obviously that drop off that drastic in a week's time from, 48, down to 23 and then 26 to $10. Stay away would be my opinion on that one. So, hold on here. Let's see. Jeff Scott says, Raja, do you think cruise ship stocks will go up? It's going to be interesting. You have all the opening trades and stuff. They're going to start sailing again. Some are already sailing overseas and doing stuff, but it's still going to be a rough road. And like I've said, it's not so much that these companies aren't going to do good again and make money. The biggest issue is that they have to pay back all this debt. Like I said, you were making all this money. You have no debt. You're making all this money. Everything's going well. You're expanding. You've got all these plans. All of a sudden, overnight, and at least like with a lot of these other stocks or companies, like for example, let's take my restaurants or a lot of people's restaurants. So one, we were all shut down for that first 8-9 weeks pretty much, but you had to go food and you had different stuff. And so we had some revenue and income coming in. Then we reopened. We've been open ever since. A lot of these cruises, they haven't set sail since March of over 14 months ago, 15 months ago. They haven't set one boat out of the U.S. So that's a lot longer of a period. It's one thing when you're closed for 9 weeks, you reopen, and you had to close back for 7 weeks, and but you still had money, and the times that we have been open have been phenomenal. And I'm sure the cruise ships, when they come back, are to be phenomenal and strong. But to make up a year and a half of lost money is just a lot of money. So, Marcel 549 super chat, thank you so much. Thanks for the channel, Raja. Doge can be buy the rumor, sell the fact. Keep up the good work, and thanks from the Netherlands. Thank you so much. And like I said, I'm watching this closely. I mean, now it's 72 cents. I mean, this is insane. But why wasn't it 72 cents last week? And we still have another day to go until Elon Musk is on there. I just want to know what he's going to do, if he's even going to be funny. I mean, Elon Musk, you got to remember when he's been in all these other shows and these movies and stuff, those are all paid cameos, that they pay money to be in. Maybe he got maybe he knew someone real well and they invited him, but usually you pay to be in those, and those are paid cameos, like to just get the attention. So it'll definitely be interesting to see what he does. I don't know. It'll be interesting. Who knows? He may have paid to be in SNL now, or he's just enough popular, But I can tell you right now, the cast members are not happy about having him on the show, interesting enough. So don't know why. I just read about that and stuff. So hopefully it'll be definitely interesting and stuff. iFan Chang, I don't know, the volume has been super low on GameStop and trading sideways, which indicates there's not much selling or buying going on. We need something big news for a dive. So that's the whole thing. You actually don't need something big for a dive. when a stock stops having volume and the people lose interest in it, and all of a sudden a little selling comes in, that thing's going to crash fast. Or if some news comes out, but I don't think there's any new news to really come out on it. There's just not much going on with it and stuff. So, red slots, I bought FSR today. It's pretty close to a low of the year. Oh, good luck on that one. Hope it does well. Michael Peterson, a new drinking game. Every time Roger says, interesting, take a drink. Hammered people everywhere. I made Jose have a drink every time I got a jackpot. So, the other night, he never made it through the end of the stream. Brett, Doge is up till Saturday Night Live, then watch for the drop. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be crazy. So, Jeff says, I think SNL is liberal. That is why they don't like Elon Musk. So, let's see. Taylor, any thoughts on Penn and the gaming industry dropping this week? So yeah, that was interesting. Penn Gaming came down really hard this week with some of the other ones and stuff. And they still face uphill battles and stuff. They were up today, but I mean, Penn was 120, 140s at one point. So they're way, way down. But you have to look at the thing. They're not making money, and that's the whole thing. And especially, there's a difference. So let's look at Penn Gaming and then look at the one I always tell you guys about, Monarch, which I like a lot. Monarch only has 2 casinos. Penn Gaming is market cap of $13 billion, losing money. Monarch Casino is $1.3 billion and making money, and they're right up there near their highs and had blowout earnings. I would go with the littler companies because I think they have the best opportunity to make a lot of money short term. Also, there's a huge, like we've all talked about in the last few weeks, there's a huge problem with hiring people, especially night shift people. What are you gonna do to get staff? It's the first time 7-Elevens have asked to close at nighttime because they can't hire staff. Denny's back to 99% of their stores open. Can't get anybody to work at nights. They don't know what to do. And same thing with the casinos. You gotta find those employees. I don't know where these people are. It's not like they all died from COVID. Where are they? $400 a week is just, to me, doesn't seem like enough to keep someone from not wanting to work, or being like, well, if I work I get $12 an hour, so if I stay home I get $10 an hour and I don't have to do anything. I don't know. It seems crazy, but who knows what will happen there. Josh says, I never forget Jose drinking Pappy Van Winkle right out of the bottle. We were doing some Pappy Van Winkle 23 the other night after live play, or not after live play, on Monday night, the night before live play. So, he likes that stuff. Ruban, why do I get this feeling that this market is running on fads? There's a lot of good value in the market, but they're not the glitzy stuff. Buy into commodities, natural resources, they're booming. Yeah, it's definitely interesting. I mean, that's what you want to look at. Like, look at Apple. I think Apple was obviously up a little bit today, but, it's still 15% off of its highs, or 14%. It's going to be interesting, to say the least, what happens with some of these. You have Kathy Woods, like I said, she was on today. She's down 25% for the year. Now, of course, or actually from her highs, for the year she's down 25% from her highs or something. She's down 40%. And she's had a great run, but, she's heavily weighted in Tesla. Tesla is down 30% from its highs. So it'll definitely be interesting. Let's see. Coinbase surged pre-market as Kathy Woods, ARK Invest, $150 million. So that's why Coinbase was up. But I don't know. It'll be interesting to see what happens with Kathy Woods. So me and Kathy Woods are battling it out to see who can make the most money this year. But it is what it is. But on the other hand, research team only down a couple $100. They've still way above where they had been, but did slip into negative territory here. Me, on the other hand, up $55,000, but down $120,000 for the year. So hopefully we'll see this puppy turn around and look good. Dogecoin, let's see where we're at. Still at 72 cents. Back to 71 cents. Here's the thing: if this thing breaks 80 cents, it'll probably go to $1. If this thing doesn't get some momentum going tonight before SNL and starts to drop down, it could be over early, because a lot of people have now learned buy on the rumors, sell on the news, and watching all that stuff. So definitely be careful if you play this stuff. High risk. So. Renslot says, I bet Elon doesn't say anything to move any stock or Dogecoin. His lawyers and board members have probably told him what he can say. So, well, that was interesting enough today, is that Elon Musk said it may be a little overvalued or it's very risky. So he actually came out today and tweeted to be careful, which was kind of shocking. So it's because he probably did get told by someone, hey, you need to be careful because if everyone loses their shirts here, you're going to have a problem. So Caleb, SafeMoon altcoins look like they might be profitable. Yeah, SafeMoon was up to like 0.07. That's the thing. Like some of these ones, if you got to find those next ones that are the cheapest possible things. The cheapest possible ones that could really move. That's why I was saying, like on Coinbase, when you look at it and you look at like the tradable ones, then you can look at like top gainers or losers, to help you kind of pick and stuff. Renslot says Kathy said today she uses Apple as cash. I didn't hear that part, but I don't know. I was paying attention to most of it, but I didn't hear her talk about that. They're just talking about the inflows and outflows, and if too many people start cashing out, what could happen and stuff. I mean, she definitely, like I said, you can't knock anyone who's been up that much, but honestly, it's hard not to make a lot of money when the markets are all running, like they did from, especially from those, huge lows. And like she said, she went from 10 billion to 80 billion, which is, crazy so fast. But, you have to maintain that. So when it starts to drop, she can definitely move, markets and stuff, in what she's doing. But, when you look at the percentages here, so obviously Dogecoin is running the most. Some of these coins I've never even heard of, but if you're shopping, you gotta look at I don't know. If you guys think any of these are good buys, should I be jumping in on some of these? To me, I don't even know what this stuff does, but to me, this is the stuff that seems like the best bet. Something that's 30 cents has a much better shot to go to 60 cents than something that's $7,000 going to 114,000. So, interesting. I don't know. What do you guys? Anything here? Anybody got any recommendations of something we should buy? What do you guys think? These are all our choices. I didn't know what the star means. Oh, maybe because we own it. I don't know. Anything look good here? What should we buy? Should we? I want to buy something. What do you guys think? What do you guys think I should buy? Let's see, going back to tradable assets. What should we buy? Come on, people. You guys like that Stellar? That's down from where, I think we sold it at like 68, 69 cents. Yes, it was well down 7% today. You guys still like that one? You know what? I like it. We did okay in this one. Let's buy. All right, we're going to buy a Stellar. We'll do it from, use our balance on hand. Let's do $5,000 worth again. Let's preview the buy. And let's do it. Boom. So, buy the slot band, some caffeine. Buy the slot bandits and some caffeine pills for that 24-hour marathon. So, XRP looks good. What else do you guys think? Let's see. All right. We're going to go back to tradable assets. What else you guys like? What else? Cardano again. That one we made some money on too. That thing was did well. How's that one doing? Cardano. What about this? Oh my God network. I was like, that's an interesting one. What about this one? Anchor. See, these are the ones that have the best opportunity to probably do something. Pam likes it. ANKR. Or ANRK. What do you guys think? What should we buy? Yeah, where is that? Let's get the best opportunity to really go. So like I said, the cheaper stuff, because that's the stuff that can really go. 31 cents. Let's take the bottom feeder here. All right, Anchor, 16 cents. Let's do it. Let's do from cash on hand. Let's do $5,000. Preview the buy. Boom. We did it. Oh, now we did it. done. What else do you guys like? What was that one that we had? I sold the Cardano. You guys like that Cardano? Yeah, it's down today. What do you think? Cardano? Yeah, because I got out of the peak. What the heck? You only live once, right? Make it count. Cardano. From cash on hand. Preview the buy. Boom! It is done. Pam says, I got in at 10 cents and it will go way up this year. Hopefully it keeps going up. Lucy tweeted that they'll be making an appearance on SNL, probably an ad. That's what they said. I don't think Elon Musk could be promoting their vehicles. So, all right, any other ones, guys? We got all this cash sitting in here. What should we do? Any other ideas? Take a look at the change. These are the ones you could buy. What about Ethereum Classic? I mean, that thing got pounded. I like that. I think that's going to come back. What do you guys think? Bitcoin Cash also got hit pretty hard. What do you guys think? Ethereum or Bitcoin Cash? Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin Cash. What do you guys like? Inquiring minds would like to know. How can you go wrong if something drops 25%? All right, let's see. 5,000 here. Ethereum Classic. Cash on hand, preview the buy. For those of you just joining us, this is how you buy crypto. You just pick random stuff and pray. Look for the drops, look for the dips, and then when they go up, we'll dump them. Stellar Luminous. Did we buy this one? Let's see. We did. I think we need more of this one. What do you guys think? All right, let's look at our portfolio now. So since we started, we're down $200, probably all commissions, but this is what we got going on. So over the weekend, as these things start to go up, I will start to get rid of them. Obviously, right now, this one's up $28. This one's up $25. This one is down $5. This one is down $30 bucks, $37. This one is down $70 almost. This one's down almost $88 or so. I don't know, somewhere in there. So, but we are back in the crypto game again. Got a lot of assets in there in play. So hopefully they continue to go up. Let's take a look at Dogecoin. Still at 71 cents in there. 72 cents. This thing, it's going to be interesting. There are all eyes on Dogecoin this weekend. What do you guys think is going to happen? But hey guys, that's what I got for you. No show on Sunday. Everyone have a terrific Mother's Day with their moms. No show on Sunday. I may go to the casino tonight. Never know. Just a rumor. I may be there. May see some live play. Could be on Raj's slots if I do go. Or I may just go and relax and have a good time and not play live. I don't know. You'd never know what could happen. But hey guys, have a great weekend. I hope you guys all did good in the markets this week. You guys are the money makers. I'm just the Raja. And enjoy your weekend, guys. I'll see everybody Monday. Same time, usual time, same place for Raja Makes Money. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do.